There is still a mystery surrounding how and when a war-era bomb got to a property in Mandeville, but the man who found the explosive weapon is thankful that nothing catastrophic happened. Ernest Moody told the Jamaican Observer that about mid-morning on Tuesday he was busy excavating a section of his yard off Newley Road just outside the Mandeville town centre when he came across what he thought was an old bowling pin.
This was a fireplace with just a burn rubbish, debris. Yeah? And the bomb was found about right here. So the fire was here and the bomb was here. So that, you know, they're lucky. We give thanks, it could be worse like what I said. So we're just in the process of excavating. And I came across something that I thought was a old bowling pin. Yeah? But after taking it out of the ground and shaking it.
You shake it?
Yeah, man. Because I thought it was a bowling pin. So when I shook it, the dirt fell out. And I ended up with the fin in me, and then I realized it's some kind of ordnance. So, hurry up, put it down and do a little urination and back to normal.
So, what exactly happened after you put it down?
Yeah, nothing, just continue working.
And then the authorities came in?
Yeah, call the boss and he started phoning around and find out the right procedure of disposal. It's a kind of historic moment, and I'm glad nothing worse didn't happen, because considering it could have been detonated at the head by the pickaxe, because I was using the pickaxe at the time. So maybe you would have just seen the spot if it was detonated, you know what I mean? I will give thanks.